guys, welcome to Opt for Organic. Hope all of you are safe and sound. In this week's Opt for Organic healthy dishes menu, we have lettuce wrap. Oh yes, mouth-watering and healthy lettuce wrap. I experimented with this recipe a few days ago and I put up a few pictures on my social media accounts and a lot of you have asked me for the recipe. So here I am in this video going to share my recipe of making this lettuce wraps, which is not only delicious but also very healthy. So let's begin. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon. Okay, so the recipe I'm going to share with you is one way of making these lettuce wraps, but you can really do experiments and add or subtract ingredients according to your taste and customize your own. I have also given the nutritional value of these lettuce wraps in the description. Let me first give you the list of ingredients we will be requiring to make these lettuce wraps. In this video, I am making 2 lettuce wraps, so the quantity is according to that. Okay, so to make these lettuce wraps, the very first thing we'll be needing is a fresh lettuce. For the stuffing, we need 1 carrot, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 1 cup broccoli florets, red and yellow bell pepper, around 100 gram cottage cheese slab or paneer, few boiled corn kernels, soya sauce, vinegar, and red chili sauce. To spread over the lettuce leaves, we need mustard sauce or cream cheese. So if you want a bit creamier taste, then you can use cheese spread or cream cheese. And if you want a bit tangy and sour taste, then you can use a mustard sauce. For dressing, diced cottage cheese, diced walnut pieces, pomegranate seeds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds. The first step we have to do is to carefully and neatly take out whole lettuce leaves. Lettuce leaves are very delicate and you have to be careful enough to take out whole leaves. We will be needing around 7 to 8 whole lettuce leaves because we need to use 2 to 3 layers to form a perfect cup like this to hold all the stuffings. Now take a big bowl and add icy chilled water. You can also add a few ice cubes. Now submerge the lettuce cups completely into this icy chilled water. Keep it aside until we prepare our stuffing. This step will keep our lettuce leaves fresh and crunchy. It's time to prepare our stuffing. Now finely mince garlic pods. Shred the carrot into thin long slits. Dice the bell peppers into long thin slices. Strain the water from broccoli florets and dry boiled corn kernels. Take the cottage cheese slab and cut into small square pieces like these. And finely mince remaining 1 block of cottage cheese like this and keep it aside for the dressing. Take a pan and add approximately 1 tablespoon of olive oil into it. First, add finely minced garlic and saute it for some time. Once the garlic turns goldenish, add drained broccoli florets and saute for a few seconds. Cover the pan with a lid and let the broccoli cook for 30 seconds. Add shredded carrot pieces. Sprinkle some salt and saute them. Again, cover the lid for a few seconds. Finally, add bell peppers and corn kernels. Sprinkle some more salt and pepper this time and saute for a few seconds. Add 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, and half a teaspoon red chili sauce. If you want it to be a bit spicy, sprinkle some chili flakes over it. Add cottage cheese pieces and saute for a minute. Cover the lid and let it cook for another 1 minute. Switch off the flame and keep it aside to cool down completely. First, drain the cold water and wipe the lettuce leaves with a clean cloth gently. On 1 lettuce cup, I am spreading cream cheese. And on another one, I am spreading mustard sauce. Now slowly and carefully fill the stuffing in both these lettuce cups. Sprinkle some chia seeds. Sprinkle some pumpkin seeds. And in one wrap in which I have spreaded the cream cheese, I am adding a few pomegranate seeds to give it a bit sweetness. Sprinkle diced walnut pieces. And finally garnish with shredded cottage cheese. And our super delicious and crunchy lettuce wraps are ready. Hog onto them, guys. Bon appetit! Try this recipe and don't forget to give me your feedbacks. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. And if possible, try to click beautiful pictures of your lettuce wraps and put up on your social media accounts, and don't forget to tag Opt for Organic. Before signing off, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for the further updates. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.